Beloved ones, let us begin with this eternal truth. Your words are seeds, and the harvest of your life springs directly from what you have spoken. Every man and every woman lives today in a world built by yesterday's words. Some plant weeds by saying, I cannot, I am afraid, I have nothing. Others plant flowers by declaring, I am strong, I have abundance, it is done. The difference between struggle and victory lies not in chance, but in the command of the tongue. The universe is not deaf, nor is it slow to respond. It waits patiently for your decree. It mirrors back to you the exact words you speak with feeling and faith. Too many call upon life with a whisper of doubt, then wonder why their prayers go unanswered. But the law is the universe obeys the voice of certainty, the word of authority, the decree that leaves no room for contradiction. Tonight, I will reveal 3 exact words that move the invisible into the visible. 3 words that summon supply, heal the body, restore relationships, and open doors that no man can shut. Speak them in faith, and watch the universe obey. My friends, I tell you plainly, the world will obey your words. Not sometimes, not occasionally, but always. The only question is this: what words have you been speaking? For the tongue is a sword, and with it you cut the path of your destiny. The timid soul cries out, why is life so hard? Why does nothing go my way? And yet, listen carefully to what he has been saying. He declares daily, I cannot succeed, I do not deserve more, I never have enough. And the law, exact and unbending, answers, so be it. But the awakened soul learns a higher language. That soul rises each morning and commands, I am strong, I have abundance, it is done now. And the universe, like a mighty servant, rushes to obey. Consider the first decree, I am. This is no casual phrase. It is the name of power. It is the name of God upon your lips. Whatever you attach to I am becomes your garment. Say I am weak, and weakness clings to you. Say I am blessed, and blessings surround you. The world is forever echoing your words back to you. I once counseled a man who came to me defeated. He said, I am unlucky. I am always overlooked. I am cursed. And so he was. Life could not help but mirror back his confession. I told him, change your words, and you will change your world. He began, hesitantly at first, to speak a new decree. I am favored. I am divinely guided. I am prosperous. Within weeks, opportunities that had long been closed to him swung wide open. Why? Because the law cannot be mocked. The universe had no choice but to obey his new command. Now let us look at the second decree. I have. This is the language of possession. To declare I have, even when appearances deny it, is to claim your inheritance. It is the bold act of faith that precedes manifestation. The timid soul waits until the evidence appears, then says, I have. But the Master declares, I have it now. It is mine, by divine right. And the evidence soon follows. A woman once came to me in despair. Her pockets were empty. Her table was bare. She cried, I have nothing. I have no hope. I have no future. I corrected her at once. My dear, say instead, I have all that I need. I have abundance flowing to me now. I have supply from expected and unexpected sources. She obeyed. Each day she affirmed her possession, though her cupboard still mocked her. But faith does not wait for appearances. Within a short time, unexpected checks arrived. Food was gifted to her, and employment was offered. The declaration of possession drew substance from the unseen into the seen. Do you not see? The law is unfailing. The words you speak today will shape the circumstances of tomorrow. If you desire wealth, speak wealth. If you desire health, speak health. If you desire peace, speak peace. Never declare what you do not wish to experience. Speak only that which you choose to create. Now let us consider the third decree. It is. This is the word of completion, the seal upon your command. I am, is the seed. I have, is the root, and it is the harvest. To declare, it is done, is to close the door on doubt. It is to stand unmoved by appearances. It is to say, though my senses deny it, though the outer world protests, within me, it is finished, and because it is finished in spirit, it must soon be finished in form. I recall a student who longed for a home. She wandered from place to place, always unsettled. She said, "I want a home, but it seems impossible." I taught her instead to say, "I have my perfect home now. It is done." She walked about as though her home already belonged to her. She gave thanks for it in advance. Within months, a perfect house was offered to her at a price she could afford. The words "it is" had sealed her demonstration. So I give you these 3 decrees. I am, I have, it is. Speak them with authority. Speak them with faith. Speak them until every cell of your being vibrates with their truth. Do not say, "I am sick, but I am whole." Do not say, "I have nothing, but I have abundance." Do not say, "It is hopeless, but it is done." The tongue is not a tool. It is the instrument of creation. Guard it. Discipline it. Let no idle or destructive word escape your lips, for each word carries weight. Each word carries life. Each word carries the power to bless or to curse. If you would be a master, speak as a master. If you would be free, speak words of freedom. If you would walk in abundance, speak abundance. For the universe is listening always, and it will obey, not your wishes, not your fears, but your words. Beloved friends, now that we understand the power of the 3 words, I am, I have, it is, let us explore how to wield them in daily life. Too often, men and women think of words as idle sounds, as trivial expressions, but I assure you, there is no instrument on earth so mighty, no force so responsive, as the spoken word. Every morning, you awaken to a new day of creation, and the first words you speak set the tone for the hours that follow. Will your day be filled with lack, limitation, and disappointment, or will it be rich with joy, abundance, and divine opportunity? The answer lies entirely in your tongue. The law never falters. The moment you say with conviction, "I am powerful, I have all that I need," it is done. You declare yourself master of your circumstance. The universe bends to your voice. Consider the lessons of faith. A farmer does not curse the winter and pray for a harvest. He plants the seed and declares the harvest will come, knowing in faith that the unseen growth is already occurring. So must you plant your words, speak them with belief, and the unseen world moves to make them manifest. There is a woman I knew, struggling under a mountain of debt. She said, "I am poor, I have no way, it is hopeless," and life reflected her declaration. I advised her to speak differently. "I am prosperous, I have abundance, it is done." At first she trembled, for appearances mocked her, but she persevered. Each morning she repeated the words aloud. Each night she gave thanks as though it were already hers. Slowly, little by little, doors opened, checks arrived, unexpectedly. Friends offered support, opportunities presented themselves, and before long, her debts were cleared, her household restored, her life uplifted, all because she spoke the law, and it obeyed. You see, faith does not wait for proof. It does not quiver before lack. Faith knows that the invisible is real, that the spoken word is the seed of reality. It speaks boldly, even in the face of contrary appearances. I am, I have, it is. Say it, believe it, live it, and the law cannot refuse. Now let us consider the inner world. Your thoughts are the soil, your words are the seeds, and your life is the harvest. If fear, doubt, or anxiety rule your mind, they will be reflected in your words, and therefore in your circumstance. But if you guard your thoughts, and speak only words of truth, love, and command, you cultivate a fertile ground for miracles. Every day, test this law. Speak to the universe as you would to a trusted friend. Give clear, unshakable commands. Declare your health, your abundance, your success. Never plead, never doubt, never apologize. Speak with the certainty of one who knows the outcome is already fixed in the invisible. And then watch, the invisible world will move, helpers will arrive, doors will open, things you never imagined possible will become your reality. Remember, the 3 words are not magic. They are law. They are the blueprint by which the universe constructs reality. I am is the spark of creation. I have is the declaration of possession. It is the seal of fulfillment. Speak these words daily. Speak them under your breath. Speak them aloud. Speak them in your mind. Allow them to echo until they become your reality. Do not be discouraged by temporary appearances. The outer world is merely a reflection of your inner decree. When you declare, I am blessed, I have all I need, it is done. No circumstance can resist that vibration. The universe, in its perfect order, will rearrange itself to make your words come true. Even in matters of health, relationship, and career, these words are your sword and shield. Illness cannot thrive when you declare, I am whole. Lack cannot persist when you declare, I have abundance. Delay cannot remain when you declare, it is done now. Faith-filled words command reality. They move mountains. They open the way for unseen helpers. They bring the impossible into the realm of the possible. So I urge you, speak wisely, speak boldly, speak with authority. Let the first words of your morning and the last words of your night be these. I am, I have, it is. Let them be your song, your prayer, your command. Refuse to speak doubt. Refuse to speak lack. Refuse to speak delay. And you will find that the universe itself becomes your servant, moving to fulfill every word of faith you have uttered. Beloved, you are the master of your life. The universe is waiting for your word. Speak it clearly, speak it with conviction. I am, I have, it is. Say it until every cell of your body resonates with its truth. Say it until the outer world reflects the inner reality, and you will see the power of these 3 words unfold in ways that will amaze and bless you beyond your imagination.